Hey everyone, welcome to digit.in, and today we have with us the Nokia 5.1 Plus. So quickly, let's just go ahead and unbox this phone. So this is a 5.8-inch display with a 19:9 aspect ratio, and it has an HD plus resolution. So on the inside, of course, this has got a Helio P60 processor along with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, and you can expand that storage up to 400 GB. So as the phone boots up, let's go take a look at what else is inside. So you get a SIM pin removal tray, then there is a little booklet on instructions, and additionally you get a USB Type-C cable and a charger. Now this is a 5-volt 2-amp charger, and the phone does support fast charging so that you can top up the 3060 milliamp hour battery quickly. Now in terms of imaging, you've got a dual camera setup on the back. This is a 13 megapixel main camera with a 5 megapixel depth sensing unit, and on the front is an 8 megapixel camera. Now let's just quickly go and set it up. But given that Nokia has a long lineage of making great devices, not just sturdy but also great for photography, we expect that this camera should be able to perform very well. But we're going to have to see how it actually does in, once we've got the review out. So let's just quickly skip that. Not now. Now it's very interesting that the Nokia 5.1 Plus employs a glass sandwich design. So you've got glass on the back, you've got glass on the front, of course, and on the side here is a metal frame. It's nice and sturdy. The weight is it's not heavy, but the weight is significant for you to know that this is not cheap plastic. And there you go. So this phone, the Nokia 5.1 Plus, is running Android 8.0 right out of the box, and it's part of the Android One program. So let's just quickly go. As you can see, it's Android 8.1.0. So that's pretty amazing. And of course, once Nokia starts rolling out Android P, we expect that all Nokia devices should get Android P in the very next few weeks or months perhaps. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing of the Nokia 5.1 Plus. The phone will be available on Nokia.com and Flipkart exclusively. So stay tuned, and if you're interested in buying this phone, we will have a review up for it very soon. Thank you guys for watching.